This video is based solely on my opinion and what I'm personally doing in this market. I want to also let you know that some of the links below are affiliate links, meaning I may earn a commission, but this will be at no extra cost to you. This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy sitting in his room. So for more information on this, head down to the description and let's jump into it. So guys, it's happening. We got the big bill, but XRP is down again today. Why does this keep happening? That's what we're going to be discussing in today's video, because I think a lot of people actually have the wrong impression as to what should and will be happening. So I want to discuss my thoughts and opinions on the market. If you appreciate it, guys, smash that like button. As you know, I've recently been demonetized. The views have been going down a lot. Maybe it's due to demonetization, maybe it's due to the market. But if you do enjoy my thesis and my opinions on the market, please watch this video all the way to the end. Hit that like button. So what is happening? Well, President Trump officially signed the big, beautiful bill into law. People are now saying that we should expect a massive alt season in the next few months because of this, and a similar thing happened in 2020. What does that mean? Well, this law could be a good alternative, could be good for altcoins because it might make the economy grow a lot, like it did in 2020 after similar tax cuts. When the economy grows, people often invest more in riskier things like altcoins. Also, if the government keeps pushing for less regulation on finances, it could make it easier for new crypto projects to start and grow, which is good for altcoins. Plus, if Bitcoin's dominance drops like it did before, altcoins usually get more popular as their prices go up. Now, that's pure speculation on the behalf of Grok, but I also tend to agree with that. Now, yesterday, we did speak about Tom Lee buying $250 million worth of Ethereum, right? And I said how this could be the start of the liquidity moving from Bitcoin, the excitement moving from Bitcoin into Ethereum and then potentially into altcoins. But I see a lot of people who are very annoyed at the price action. Why do things keep happening? Why does the price keep going down? First of all, look at the year to date. XRP is one of the biggest movers year to date in the entire crypto space. 413% gain. I don't know how many times I have to smash my head on the table to explain to people that a 400% move in 6 months is absolutely incredible. That's a great move. I'm very happy with that. And I personally have made a lot of profit from it. And I think people should stop being so greedy. That's what I actually really do think. It's up to you what you do. I have my XRP trade here, 30% gain, very happy with it. We got the trade that I'm using XRP as collateral with here on BYDFI, 964 XRP in the profit now because I'm using that XRP as collateral. So very nice stuff there. And we have a new opportunity on BYDFI where you can trade and earn XRP. And if you want to take advantage of this, there will be an affiliate link for BYDFI in the description. You can sign up with your email address. You can then trade using the spot market, the derivatives market, or of course, you can use XRP as collateral. One of the best places I've found to do that, but please do your own research. So XRP's price up significantly on the year and still up even in the last couple of weeks from where I entered my trade down here. You can see these green lines where we entered the trade down there. And guys, it's looking nice, all right? I think it's slow and controlled. If the money really does flow into Ethereum first, it's going to take time for then to it trickle down into the rest of the market. If that ever happens, it might not. But that's why I'm positioned in multiple larger cap altcoins in case I'm wrong on XRP. Maybe it stays in Ethereum. Maybe it goes to Solana. Maybe Sui outperforms once again like it did in the previous little run that we had. So I'm hedging all of my bets, right? That's what I'm doing. Now, on top of this, we also have a little bit of worry in the market, all right? So there's a mystery whale that has moved or holds 161,000 Bitcoin, over $17 billion. And people are a little bit worried here that maybe something bigger is brewing behind the scenes of crypto. And this is, of course, what has affected Bitcoin's price marginally, right? It was up at about 109 to 110 and now it's down at 108. Nothing really to worry about, but this fear has spilled over into the altcoins and that's why pretty much all of the market is down today. So yes, we have good macro news. We have good environments potentially brewing for altcoins, but XRP, along with all of the other altcoins, is also slightly down. And this is something we need to get used to. Don't be emotional. Don't have all these emotions tied to your portfolios. I've been holding XRP for many years. I've been trading it many years. And these ebbs and flows in the market for me are opportunity. So I strike when there's opportunity. If the price goes down significantly further, the market falls into fear. Guess what I'll be doing? Using it as an opportunity. If we do take a look at the fear and greed index, right now the market is in greed. The stock market is in extreme greed. We have the trading, the leverage in the market right now showing us greed, because guess what? There are more longs in the market than shorts. So what does this tell me? That there's going to be volatility, and a lot of times when we see more longs than shorts, we see the price go down in the short term. Now it's not guaranteed, but a sharp move to the downside, right? Where's the number? This side, yeah, like a sharp move to say 98K, right? Even 100, that would be almost $10 billion worth of liquidations. 9.35 billion, right? What price do we need for 10? 98.6, right? Could be a $10 billion liquidation. Do you really think that it's that difficult for Bitcoin to go down from where it is now to there? That's a 9% move. It's where we were just 2 weeks ago. That's something that's very much possible, right? And that would shift the market. That would scare the market. That would make XRP drop more, but that would give me as a trader an opportunity. Right now, as I think the market is bullish, when we get pushed to the downside because of Bitcoin or whatever the reason, macroeconomic news, that's an opportunity for me. My thesis might change, and I'll keep you guys up to date with what I'm thinking. Do not follow me because I might lose my money. Nothing is guaranteed. But if you do want to trade yourself, I'm really enjoying using XRP as collateral over on BYDFI. Almost 1,000 XRP in profit. If you do want to grab this new XRP trade and earn opportunity, the links for that will be down there in the description. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.